So with Dr. Des, and we are talking about reframing our relationship with the sun. You've always said that sunlight itself isn't the enemy, that unprotected exposure is.
I think that sun anxiety, or this fear of the sun, is something only about 30, 40 years old. That's the media that have done that.
I know we're scared of cancer, but we are probably also very scared of damaging our skin beyond repair.
Well, from my point of view, we've got to understand that the sun is absolutely essential for us, keeps us living. It's why we've got to where we are.
So it's not about avoidance then?
No, we must never avoid the sun. We must continue to expose ourselves to the sun, continue to treat our skin with vitamin A, and use sensible sun protection.
So, Dr. Des, what happens when people start avoiding the sun altogether?
I think you're putting your life at risk, number one, because you're not making enough vitamin D, and you won't get satisfactory levels of vitamin D from oral supplementation. And they are going to get brittle bones. And when you've got brittle bones and your muscles are a bit weak, that really means you don't live very long.
Yeah, that's a very key indicator, you're right, of longevity. Is it true that sunscreen causes a vitamin D deficiency? I mean, that's quite interesting.
It finally has been accepted that strong SPFs interfere with vitamin D production.
Yeah. So listening to you, I really get the sense that the message is not to stay out of the sun, but rather to prepare your skin to live well with it.
Yes.
I like that. That's like real freedom, not fear.
Yes.